Hello guys, it's Crypto Insider. So we're talking about an AI model that can help you generate crypto just by prompting or texting or talking with the AI. So this is known as the Clock app by Mira AI, which has multiple AI models, up to 3 AI models. I can ask for anything and everything and then receive rewards just by talking with them. So you can see that virtually you can earn money just by chatting with AI. So let me show you how you can do this. But first, let's go to the X page and let's see what this Klokapp by Mira is all about. So on the X page, you can see this is Clock. You can see the world's first trustless multi LLM chat app powered by Mira Network. Chat with top AI models and earn Mira Network rewards. So you're going to be rewarded for talking with AI. You can see this airdrop is incentivized. You can see they have actually been making lots of posts and can be talking about different ways you can talk with their AI. So let's go back to the website so I can get to show us how to do this. So you can do this with any browser, Mises, your Chrome, you can also do it with your system. It's a bit easier to do. So let's go back to the site. The link to join this will be in my description, so you can click it and then start talking with AI to earn crypto as fast as possible. If you're new to my channel, do well to subscribe, and if you're watching my videos, thank you. You can see over here, you can see the multi-model. It has multi-model access. You can earn points for chatting. You can get rewarded for referring. These are the various ways you can earn points, and you can see it's powered by Mira. I've also heard of the Lumira mining app. Well, I showed us lately. They are also supporting this Klokapp. Then there are various ways you can sign in. One is by signing in with your Google account. Another is by connecting a wallet. Well, I'll be showing us how to sign into Google account. I've already created an account, but I'll just show us how to do this. So click on continue with Google. It's going to lead you to choose a Google account. So once you selected the Google account you want to use, it's going to redirect you back into the app. So once you sign in, you can see you come up to this pop-up Mira points. That's like an earn points every time you chat. So one prompt gives you 10 chat points. So each message you send gives you 10 chat points, and then you can also earn up to 10 times a day. Then if you upgrade to 50 prompts a day, that you are using the pro version, then you can also get to invite friends. If you invite friends, you can get 100 points for each friend, and when each of the friends completes 3 prompts, and then you'll be able to get up to 100 points. So if you invite 20 friends, you automatically unlock the pro for 30 days. So share a referral link and keep referring. So this is the app. It just looks like ChatGPT or any of the AI apps you've been using. So over here you can get to select the language you want to use. If you're not English, then this is where you can get to see your name and your wallet information. You'll also be given an opportunity to set up your wallet and save your seed phrase. So do well to secure your wallet and download your seed phrase and store it properly. Then over here you can get to see your points. So these are your total chat points, 10 chat points, and then these are the referral points. Then you can also come over here and copy your referral link. Now this app has 2 models. It has the free model and the pro model. So I'll show us the various ways you can make use of this. You can see over here, you can get to see the various chat models. You can chat with Llama, DeepSeek, or ChatGPT. So any one of your choice, just click it and then chat. So all you have to do is just to send it a message. You can see, just type any message of your choice and then gives an answer. And then once you do that, you're going to earn 10 points just for chatting. So you can always get to switch between AI models. Anyone you want to use, so you get to give you the same points. So just keep sending messages. If you're using the free version, you know you get 10 prompts only in a day. So each of the prompts gives you 10 points. So you're entitled to having 10 prompts and then claiming up to 100 points in a day. But if you share a referral link, you'll be getting way more than that. So the pro version is paid, and then for the pro version you can be getting as high as 50 prompts in a day. So 50 prompts, 10 points. You can be getting 500 points per day. So, but if you don't have the funds to upgrade to the pro version, you can try to invite 20 persons. So 20 persons gives you access to the pro version for 30 days. I think that's all. Keep sharing your referral link every day. Keep prompting, keep sending messages. This airdrop promises to be nice. It promises to pay well because it's one of the first of its kind. Imagine making money just texting AI. So thank you for watching this video. Do well to subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications so you can be getting much more information from me. I also have a Telegram channel where you can join and get first-hand crypto updates. Thank you for watching and see you next time.